MS Excel 2007 Cell References. As we know already, each cell has a cell address, which is the combination of the row number and column letter. Here the I5 cell is selected, as we can see in the name box. When a cell address is used in a formula to do a calculation, it is called cell reference. The address in the name box changes as the user clicks in different cells. When we click on 25 here, the cell reference B5 shows in the name box. If a range of cells is selected, the top cell indicates the address. Here the range in column E is selected, so the cell reference is E3 because 3 is the top cell in E. To enter data into a cell, click on the cell and type the data. Press Enter to move to the cell below or click with the mouse in another cell. The data you have just typed will be displayed. It is also possible to use some numerical data in a spreadsheet in a formula to do a calculation. It is better to use cell addresses in a formula instead of the raw value. For example, we can calculate the total amount for 2 dogs by using the cell addresses in column F. The 2 addresses in the formula, D5 and E5, refer to the data in each of those cells. The answer appears when we press Enter. We can do the same calculation again here in column G by typing in the raw values instead of the cell references. We type in 1660.89, the price of 1 dog, multiplied by 2. We get the same answer, although the methods were not the same. However, a spreadsheet can update data automatically if data in one cell changes. For this reason, it is better to use cell references instead of raw values. Using cell references also allows cells to update if formulae are copied or moved. We can see how this works if we change any of the data that we used in the formula. For example, if the number of dogs in column E is changed from 2 to 1, the answer in column F is automatically updated and displays the correct results. But the answer in column G does not update automatically and therefore gives the wrong results now. To recap, the formula in column F used cell references. E5 in the formula refers to the number 1 in cell E5 and therefore returns the correct result. The formula in column G used raw values. Note that the 2 in the formula in column G has not changed and therefore returns the wrong result. Even if the data in column D, the price of 1 dog, were to change, nothing in this formula in column G would change and the answer would still be incorrect.